YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Coromon on your iOS and Android device. Now guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be running you through a full tutorial specifically for iOS and how we've got the game ported for both iPhones and iPads, iPod touches to get Coromon on iOS. Now normally you'd have to get this with the test flight app and enter in a code, however it did get removed. However, the source files were uploaded to a site and I'm going to show you how to install it. You will not need a computer in order to get this. It's going to be completely for free and basically take you not much time at all in order to get the app. So I'm going to run you through that exact tutorial right now and show you how we do this and how I'm going to do it right now. Give this video a thumbs up if it does work for you so you let other people know. Alrighty, what I'm going to do is turn on my screen recording of my iOS. I've got iPhone 10 here or something and it should pop up there now. Okay, so there are some settings we do have to check. So as you guys can see, we're on iOS. I've got the app Coromon right there. What we need to do is head over to settings on our iOS and go down to general, go to background app refresh and make sure this is on. Now this is default for every iOS device, however you will need to make sure this is on. For some reason people turn this off for saving battery life. Make sure it is on. You will not be able to install the plugin files without this, so make sure that is on. Now another reason why background app refresh might be off is you go to battery and you have low power mode on. If you have low power mode on, you won't be able to install. You can turn it off to install it, but make sure you guys do not have low power mode on because that will turn off background app refresh. Okay, now what we can do is actually go ahead and install Coromon on our iOS. So head over here to Safari or Google Chrome, whatever browser you really want. It doesn't matter, guys. And we're going to head over to this website right here, and it's called Easy Plugin, and this is where we're going to get the Coromon plugin so then we can actually play the game. So type in, I'm going to spell it out for you, so follow along. EasyPlugin.com. easyplugin.com. It is that easy. And just press here, I understand, okay? Go to the search bar on Easy Plugin and just type in Coromon Coromon plugin installer for iOS and Android if you need it for Android as well, but it is for free on the Google Play Store. And this is going to install the iOS version. So tap on that and press start install, and that's going to basically, Easy Plugin is install the Coromon app to your iOS device completely for free in a matter of like really 5 minutes. So we're going to download this and install this. Now in order for the Coromon app game to actually install, it is going to need 2 to 3 additional plugin files in order for this to install. You're going to see them on the next page. You need to install them. They're completely for free. They're going to have some instructions, so I highly recommend you read the instructions and complete them. And there also is going to be a YouTube video on the next page explaining how to actually do that. Watch that video, it's going to explain it a lot better than me. So make sure you guys are watching that video and then go ahead and get the 2 to 3 free additional plugin files. Once you guys have done that, you should now see the Coromon app installed once you obviously have the additional plugin files, so make sure you guys are doing that. And once you guys have done that, that should be it. You should now have the Coromon app basically on your game and you can start playing today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's the easiest way of how I found to get Coromon on iOS. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.